All right, here we go. Page 11. You need to add items that fall from the top of the screen. These move just like the platforms, but faster. In order to make the game more interesting, the items start at a random location above the screen. For the sample game, the item's X position is a random number between 50 and 350, and the Y position is a random number between minus 30 and 60. Okay, let's see what that tells us to do. Use the create sprite block to make an item sprite in the create sprites section of your code. All right. So I'm going to grab my create sprite. I'm going to call it item. I'm going to call it item 1. I just like that. You don't have to, you can just call it item. Let's set the animation. Oh, and it says it's supposed to go at a random spot. Watch what I do here. La, la, la. I'm going to make the X or the Y. What is it? It's going to be at a random location between 50 and 350. And the Y position is a random number 2. Whoa. It says right up here, between negative 30 and 60. Huh. That's so they don't come down in the exact same spot every time. Okay. Oh, and velocity Y. Let's see. Go to my velocity. Velocity Y. Velocity Y. Where is it? All right, I'm going to put it right up here. Item 1, velocity Y is going to be a 2, let's say. Uh-oh. It says sprite instead of item 1. Yikes. Let's see. Animation 1. Perryman. I keep making mistakes here. Star. I got to set that animation. Whoa. What is going on? Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. So nothing is happening. So I am going to refresh my page. Something has happened with the computer. It's getting mad at me. Sometimes this happens. You're running it. The code.org isn't updating well enough for whatever reason. Oh, there's my star. Cool. All right. Use set animation to give your sprite the correct image and make it fall. Run the code to test your sprite. It's totally working. There it is. If I run it again, it'll be in like a little bit different spot. There it is. Cool. I'm going to go ahead and jump to page 12 because I think it's just going to make me do it again. Do some copy and paste, baby. All right. Now that your item is falling, you can add code to loop it back to the top. Oh. This is similar for the platform sprite, but the item sprite will loop back to a random X and Y location when it goes to the top of the screen. Easy. So watch what I do. Tra-la-la. I'm going to create a function called loop items, which are my stars. You can say loop stars if you want. Loop items. And then all I have to do is get a control. This is just like I did with the platforms. If my Y coordinate is greater than 400, I reset it. So I get my greater than first from math. I'm going to go look for my Y coordinate. I'm going to call it item 1. My item 1Y is greater than 400. I want my X and my Y to be really the same as when the game began. So item 1 X